Good day everyone, welcome to W3DE. Today we will make a bench vise by using 3D printing and this bolt and nut for the tightening mechanism. So this is wait a moment, this is a 1/4 inch bolt. So we will design the vise using this one. Already got the image now. Okay, now we'll move on to design the vise using Designspark mechanical. Okay, so turn out the design needs 4 printed parts. First one is the base frame, and then the slider, and then the head for the bolt, and last one is this, the block that will help us to adjust the range for the vise or the holder. Okay, after this I will just clean up some corners using chamfer or rounded corner, and then after that we will go to printing process. So these are the printed parts. This one is the base or the frame, and then this is the slider, the sliding part, and then this one is the block. This one is the head for the bolt. But if you see that at the bottom of the printed parts there are gray color, this is because I have this black particular PLA brand that is strong, but it has a bad adhesion with the heat bed, so most of the time it will not stick to the heat bed of the printer. So the trick is I'm using a material which has better bed adhesion for 1 or 2 layers, and then continue with the the material that has not so well adhesion. So first we will put the nut inside this position, but maybe a bit tight because this one was at the base, so there's some printed material spreading to the hole at the moment. Okay. Yep. Okay. And then we will put this sliding part here, and then this one will goes inside the head or handle. Okay. Okay, fit properly. Will goes here, and then here, and okay. Let's see. Okay, it started to move. Okay, but yes, and this one is placed here. So if I have small items, it can be placed with using the block here. I can remove the block, and the vise or the holder will hold a larger part. Okay, that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.